It is a most popular aluminum composite panel since being introduced to the market. It's the best modeling panels of aluminum composite panels since it has well weather resistance and high rigidity. It minimizes the difficulty of installation since it's easy to bend without breaking the core. For the maintenance, it can be easily cleaned only by neutral cleanser or water. All of our collection have the option to be made with an unbreakable core. It's used to decorative curtain wall, exterior and interior buildings such as ceilings, kitchens, bathrooms, and balconies.